welcome to a new vlog. We are at Ikea, so we're gonna go to Ikea. Kim's there. We've just pulled up and driven, so we've come to get some stuff from Ikea, and yeah, thought we'd show you around for the day what we're doing. Into the vlog, Kim.
Hello.
We're going Ikea shopping.
Yes.
What do we need?
Bed
You've
for
got
him.
the list.
Bed for him. Chest of drawers, shelves, picture frames, and other stuff.
All sorts of things. We're gonna have fun. Your meatballs.
Oh, it's really good.
Good. I'd love that.
This one.
Yeah, look at that. Nice.
What, for his room?
Yeah.
That's not bad either, is it?
It's like a whole cinema room. You showing me your pantry? Okay, we're gonna go for this one after much deliberation. It's only £89. Look at that. So this is what it's called?
Okay. The actual partition here, yeah.
Yeah, just in case we see it.
Chest of drawers. In the kids section.
We love. Say that again?
This is the section all of our money disappears into.
Oh yeah, we love this section. It's so cute. This is the bed.
Oh, huge.
Yeah. But it's a normal size bed, but it's not actually that big. So you get the mats to go underneath.
I like that.
And then you can flip it over.
I've told other people who work about this bed and they were like, that's amazing.
What? Yeah, hang on. I love the fact that in Ikea they've got like kids doors through all of the little bits. Like, I just love it. Storage containers. Oh, they're cute. Ah, are they separate or? That's quite cute. He doesn't need them though. That's the only thing. We've got so many of those.
I know, but they are
I'm
really
reluctant to buy any. But yeah, I know they're cute. One's the same. I love the like 1, 2, 3. That's so. Forever ago we were like here, but it wasn't that long ago really. But oh, buying all the little cute baby stuff. Something so satisfying and humongous about this place. Oh, you're using the thing. Do we not have them on our tickets?
We do, but
Where to find them? Okay.
I'm not sure the Ikea cards are fit either, because some of those are Ikea.
Are they? Oh, so we should save a little bit more money. We're watching it go up and up. Yeah.
So he pops up to have the head. That's why I have
Oh, sorry. No, sorry, my fault.
your head roll is so nice.
We forgot a shelf, so we're going back round 2.
Well, it wasn't too bad to be fair, at least
Less than 500 quid.
less than 500 quid.
It's not bad. We've bought some shelves, but we are back going in for a third round for some food. We're going to go get some snacks.
We bumped into some friends, so we started chatting to them.
Yeah, we saw some friends, so it was nice. I forgot to film mine. Can I film yours? What is it? Oh, hang on. Screaming hours begun.
What they call a cheese, a pizza turnover, but it's a calzone basically.
Oh, yeah.
It's really nice actually.
I did have a veggie hot dog just here. And yeah, went in here and now it's down. It's in my tummy now. Sorry. I didn't show you that, but it's very nice. Now I'm just eating the chips. I don't really want all the chips to be fair. I'm still quite full from lunch, but we're probably not going to get much for tea, so we're just sort of fueling up because we're going to go home and build all of the furniture tonight, or what we can anyway, until we eventually give up. So, oh, somebody's trying to go through the trolley thing and they can't. That was quite funny. This thing, you can take like the ordinary trolleys through, but not the...
Take any.
No, it says you can. You can take a trolley down there.
Just as humans.
I thought you could take, look, one of these trolleys, one of those ones, like the basket ones. I'm sure you could take it down there.
It'll fit, but not meant to.
Well, I thought you could. I'm sure the blue sign says you can.
No. Well, the one on the actual pole says you can't.
Oh, well, somebody's going down there with their trolley. Well, you just can't take the flatbed down there. Someone's trying to take the flatbed. See, she's read the sign. She's taking it. She's taking a trolley.
You have to look.
Anyway, now we're just sat here, people watching. Eating chips.
Someone's just gonna have a giant bag of meatballs as well.
Just me and Kim just sat here like...
Her tea sorted. Looks like she got the mashed potato with her as well.
Nice. To be fair, we did eat 24 meatballs for lunch. I had 12 and you had 12.
They were good.
Good meatballs. They were good.
You had the plant-based ones.
They were really nice. I've had them before. To be fair, someone said to me, because obviously we're about an hour and 40 minutes away from Ikea, and I always want to buy the frozen meatballs, and I'm always really sad that I can't because we live so far away and I'll be mushed by the time we get home. But someone said what you need to do is get a cool box, fill it with all your ice, and then put it in a cool box, and then they're fine, you can take them home. And I meant to do that. Mean to do that. I mean to do. I was gonna do that. So yeah. Well, never mind. Next time. And then we got vegan ice cream as well. 65p for a pot of vegan ice cream. And then I've got another cold drink. So,
Everything's less than a tenner. So.
yeah, it's like £9.45. Oh, that's not bad. This is all our stuff that we bought. Fits in the car. It's fine. Kim sat there. She could sit in the front seat. Yeah. I'm going to get all this in and start making up flat pack furniture. So we've started putting it all together. Literally, we're on the first set of screws each. How long do you think it's going to take you to put this together?
An hour.
I think it's going to take 2 hours. So we'll see who's right. The time is 17:57. I reckon it's going to take us 2 hours. It's finished. And the time is 19:43. So just short of 2 hours. And we only had one really teeny tiny argument and one very, very big agreement. The fact that these little white things here, where they're like 2 parters, awful, terrible design.
It wouldn't have taken us 2 hours if they were just normal slats.
Yeah, you just like them in, because we've literally spent 45 minutes doing that, and that should have taken 5 minutes. But yeah.
The rest of the bed took about an hour.
Yeah, the rest of the bed, about an hour, yeah, hour and 10 maybe.
But yeah, it was. This is. Don't get me wrong, it's sturdy, but it's an absolute nightmare. It's going to take us 2 hours to do the chest of drawers. Well, it took me 2 hours to do them on my own, the ones next door.
Yeah.
And these are half the size.
Yeah, my only, like...
It's because it's going to be flipped, isn't it? So it's due to be a bunk bed.
Oh, I suppose, yeah.
That's due to be on the floor.
Yeah, it's got like indents still in like where you can see them. Normally Ikea don't really...
Usually they have
Do you
something to
think
fill
that?
it with, they haven't.
Yeah, I don't know. Anyway, it looks good. It's what we wanted, so yeah, there it is. So we're going to have it this way whilst Cali is still little, and then it flips up and becomes like a cabin bed, so he can have it stuff underneath it, and you can get more slats and put those. So when it's like flipped, you can have more slats on this bit, and then you've got bunk beds. So yeah. Right. The chest of drawers is built now. My lovely, lovely assistant here. So chest of drawers is built next to the bed. and that means we are done building, and it is 9:15 now, so the chest of drawers took us an hour and 20 minutes, something like that. It was not bad. To be fair, I felt like we went quite slow with the drawers, so we were a bit more like slowing down a little bit, but anyway, it's built. So anyway, tomorrow I'm gonna furnish everything, soft furnish everything, put like the curtains and all that kind of stuff up, so I might just keep that in here. But anyway, you probably won't see Kim, I don't know. You might, I don't know. If you do, you don't. Anyway, this has been a lovely day. If I don't remember to vlog the rest of it, hopefully I will, so you can see the end at least. But anyway, subscribe in case I do this as a part 2. I know you can see. And give us a like. Callie's birthday. Morning. Hang on a minute. Yeah, it's better. Good morning. We've been busy this morning. I haven't vlogged, and I thought I'd just show you sort of the finished content. So here you go. So, hello Kim. So yeah, everything's sort of in here. I just need to go and get like some toys. He's going to sleep on his mattress in the other room for another night, and then we'll move his mattress into this in the morning. But yeah, so mattress just needs to go on there, and then he's got a tent thing that goes over the like space as well.
The tent actually slides, the mattress slides into the tent, so we need to put it up before the mattress comes in.
Oh, that's good to know. So yeah, well, but we'll do that tomorrow. So just want to, I mean, you could look on Ikea, look at the little bed tent things, they're really cool. So he's got one of those. I've put his little organiser in. Still umming and ahhing about whether to put a side rail in case he falls out. It's not far to fall, but he does still fall out of bed.
Yeah.
But I'm hoping because he's got the wall on the other side.
He's also going to have the tent.
He's going to have the tent. Oh yeah, no, he won't need it then, will he? No. All right, cool. Decision made. So we're not going to put his side rail in. So he's got his little organiser there because he likes to have water for bed, and you know that can all go in there, so that's fine. Then his chest of drawers is up, and I've put his clothes in there. He's got one of his birthday presents is the Alexa, so she's over there. It's the kids dot, so I've set up that with the parental controls on that, and tested it. And then this I'm really proud, so I've just finished putting up the pictures that we got, and then a little shelf thing there, and then his toys are going to go all in there, and I think I'm going to bring his soft play bits up, you know, his little soft play stuff that's downstairs. I'm going to put that probably up here as well, probably in this corner maybe. I don't know, that corner. Essentially anything that I don't want in the living room, everything that's in the living room. So I'm going to go and do that now. It's probably going to take me another hour. But yeah, and then his curtains have gone up, which I'm very proud of. Very, very proud of those. They look really good. The curtain poles we bought in Ikea yesterday were ridiculously too long in the end. The one will probably be all right for our room, but not in here. So Kim went and got some new ones, and they look really nice. They're not completely black out, which is a little bit miffed because they're supposed to be, but it's fine. They'll do. So yeah, well happy. Just super chuffed. Just need to fill it up with his stuff now. So he's going to be one very happy little boy. Anyway, with that, I'm going to say thank you very much for watching this vlog if you made it this far. I hope you enjoyed our little Ikea trip yesterday and us putting everything together last night. We're exhausted and we still got so much to do, but thank you very much for watching. We'll see you next time. Bye. Bye.